Hello everyone, this is from Unnati Computer Education. In this video, we are explaining about jewelry shop model TDL in a Tally Prime. Means the jewelry shop owners are needed some changes, major changes in purchase and sales invoices in a Tally. As their requirement, we provided. Now we provided the extra TDL for jewelry shop owners to maintain their accounts and inventory. Let's see what are the changes are done after adding this TDL. Observing in a purchase voucher, we have to mention party details, and here is an example. G bangle means gold bangle. You have also mention batch or lot number if you need, and how many pieces are you purchasing, what was the gross weight, less weight, and waste percentage, waste weight, and purity percentage also mentioning, and actual, what was the actual gram and what was the billed gram. We have to mention in a separate column rate, and here is the making charge. uh, Both options are available in a percentage wise and in a gram wise also. Making charges are maintaining through this screen. Making charge amount and total amount, what was the total amount for that item, and these are the details for a sales details for item. Means in this screen, what details are mentioned in this screen, these all are fetched automatically in a sales invoice. Let's observe this is your purchase invoice. In this purchase invoice, you have to decide or you have to mention the sales details of that item, wastage percentage, purity, actual weight, billed weight, making charges. All details are also mentioning in this screen. And here is a major option, print gold barcode. In this TDL, the barcode facility also available, means label printing. If you want to print a label for that item, barcode for that item, you use this TDL is a beneficial to you. And need for printing that barcode label, you must use a barcode printer. Okay. And you already know purchase GST for that gold for is 3%. Calculate GST for that item, and this is a major changes. And you also maintain your shop details, like if if you give some gold to goldsmith or other karigar persons, uh, these details also maintain in this TDL, like in a stock journal voucher from source, from your shop to destination, for which person you are going, which item, and what was the details, how much gram, purity, and all details are mentioned in this screen. To destination person, which person, for which person you are going to given for making the item, like a karigar person number 1, karigar person number 2, like this. These all details are maintained in this TDL. And major changes in a sales invoice are done. Let's see what are the major changes in a sales invoices. These are details fetch automatically while you are adding a purchase entry. You mention the sales detail for item, right? That all details are fetching automatically during sales entry. Here you also mention or other changes if you need other make a changes in sales invoice for that item, batch number or pieces or gram, waste percentage, waste weight, purity or rate, making charges, making amount, grams, any changes if you need allowed here. And calculate GST for that item. Enter. This screen is a very beneficial, means URD purchase details. URD means unregistered. When you sell a item for a customer, that customer gives some old gold of that person. If you also maintain their old gold details in this screen, it will generate automatically a direct URD purchase entry automatically. Old gold through old gold or old silver ledger, how much gram and rate details are also mentioning here. In this screen observing, I purchasing old gold of 2 grams, total amount 6000 rupees. I purchasing a gold from that customer, old gold from that customer. It will generate directly URD purchase entry like this only, from old gold 2 gram for a 6000 rupees. Okay, and let's observe how the sales invoice will be changing. See, this is your sales invoice, sales details, HSN, gross weight, making charges, percentage wise, next purity percentage, GST details and bank details, other details also seeing in this screen. This is your sales invoice for this TDL. Okay, hope this TDL is very beneficial to all jewelry shop owners. Utilize it, and for any queries or for a detailed demo, for contact us. These numbers, please note this number for demo or for any queries, further queries, contact us for these numbers. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you all.